Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to this Module 7 of Generative AI, where we would see the basis on which the LLM is made, or a prerequisite to LLMs is to understand what NLP is. Natural language processing is what we are going to be seeing today with reference to a non-technical introduction to Generative AI. So the content here is we'd understand how language and intelligence are connected, understanding what natural linguistic processing is, the type of NLPs, and how NLPs work at a high level. Let's start with the question, a simple question to answer that on planet Earth, what is the most intelligent creature we all know, right? We know it's human beings, which is known for its intelligence. And the next question to answer is what is the core of this human intelligence? What is the basis on which the human intelligence is built on? If you have to understand the core of human intelligence, it's the language. The language or the linguistic capabilities are the core of human intelligence. And to give you a little explanation on this, we express love, fear, sadness all through languages. We collaborate with each other with the aid of language. We does exhibit creativity like music through language, shares and preserves knowledge for the sake of human beings is through language. Understand concepts like justice, politics, ethics, and so on. We use language as a basic building blocks for intelligence, and then help solve complex problems is also language is the core for human intelligence. Understanding this, prior to machines being made intelligent, it was only the human beings which had the monopoly of being an intelligent being. Today, when machines are made intelligent, we would not have this monopoly of on language and intelligence at large. So what is NLP? So NLP, the natural language processing or natural linguistic processing, which is the earliest form of artificial intelligence where machines are trying to, or computers are trying to mimic human voice or languages. Applications of the NLPs are personalized digital assistants, sentimental analysis, and customer support systems are some of the examples what we have of applications for NLP. Let's understand what the type of NLPs are. NLPs are divided into two main criteria, the natural language understanding NLU and the natural language generation NLG. To start with, let's understand what NLU is. This enables a computer or a machine to understand the human language. So this uses complex algorithms to interpret sentences, structures, content, intent, entities, and so on. Now, what is then NLG, natural language generation? After the NLU, has interpreted the content, it would go to create or generate the content using NLG, a new creation. This is all about the generative AI. So NLG is the starting for the generative AI. Now, how does NLP work? So natural linguistic processing or language processing does require cleaning and pre-processing of the text before it is put into action. So these are some of the 8 pillars where which each task is being executed one after the other. To start with, well, let's understand what each one is under the NLP working process. Segmentation. We try to break down the entire document into sentences is what we're trying to segment. Then after segmentation, these sentences are broken down into words. This is where we named as tokenization. We're trying to token each of the words of a sentence. After the tokenization, we go for removal of a stop word, removing the unwanted words like the, and, are, etc. are the ones which can be removed. Still, many can be extracted. The fourth step is stemming, where we're trying to understand the root word. So for example, here you have talk is the root word. So talking, talk plus ing, talk plus s, talks, talked, talked are all same from the root word talk. So that's where we try to segregate these using stemming. Post stemming, we have limitation where is similar to stemming, but we do not consider the elimination of suffix or prefix. That's where the lemmatization is. Then we have speech tagging, where we are trying to break the word into nouns, verbs, prepositions, adjectives, and so on. So this is the speech tagging. After the speech tagging, we have named entity tagging, where we're trying to flag or facilitate, important personalities, locations, movies, and so on. Then we have topic modeling. We use unsupervised learning to detect patterns within this topic or themes in this text. So that's where the topic modeling is. So this is a high level of how NLP works, which becomes the base on which we would try to build the LLMs in the further sessions. With this, I end this quick introduction on natural language processing. Thank you very much and have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you.